Hey, Scott Rulon here. I know it's getting near the end of the year and we're approaching Christmas here, but I bet most of you wanted to know whether digital freelancing was still going to be strong in 2023. But before we get to that, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that good old bell icon or subscribe button so you can get future videos. Well, obviously, it's difficult to predict with certainty what the future will hold for digital freelancing in 2023. However, it's likely that digital freelancing will continue to be a popular and viable way for individuals to earn income and for businesses to access a flexible and skilled workforce. There are a few trends that may shape the future of digital freelancing, and here they are. But before we get to that, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe. So, number one, continued growth with the gig economy. The trend towards temporary and flexible work arrangements is likely to continue, and digital freelancing is a key part of the gig economy. Certainly, we can see an increased use of technology as technology continues to advance. It is likely that digital freelancers will have access to new tools and platforms that make it easier to find work, communicate with clients, and manage projects. Number three, definitely changes in consumer behavior. Well, if you've been out on the streets like I have today in that curious Christmas traffic, you realize that tempers are flaring and you realize how many people are actually going to go to their computer to buy Christmas gifts and other gifts in the future. So, as these changes in consumer behavior, as consumers continue to become more savvy and selective about the products and services they purchase, digital freelancers will definitely adapt their strategies to meet the evolving needs and preferences of their target audience. Will there be more competition? Absolutely, there's always more competition, but most of that competition doesn't tend to stay around very long. They try it for a month or two, figure out it's not going to work for them, and they move on. But for those of us that have been around a couple of years, as the pool of digital freelancers continues to grow, even though it may be more competitive for a while, we'll find a way and we will access top talent and keep it going in the future. So overall, it is likely that digital freelancing will continue to be a popular and viable alternative for ways to earn income and for businesses to access a flexible and skilled workforce in 2023 and beyond. However, it will be important for digital freelancers to stay up to date on industry trends and to try to continuously adapt their skills and strategies to meet the changing market. You know what? This world is full of change, and we digital marketers certainly adapt to that change. So why wouldn't we do better? In the end, feel free to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe so you can receive future videos. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Scott Rulon signing out.